Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
What's happened in this whole scenario is that somewhere glorification of mental health has started happening. Instead of breaking the stigma, I mean, yes, we are trying to break the stigma, but at the same time, now people have started glorifying. And I think social media has played a very big role in that, sadly. By, I have to say that the real culture and the posts that are there around now, it's just about so generalized, right? Everything is so generalized. It's like you see posts on like, be mindful, go out in nature, go to physical activity, you'll be fine. Anxiety is nothing. Anxiety is, normal. It is true. I mean, I'm not saying that all of these things are not great. You should do all of these practices. But generalizing it, actually tells everybody that it's like one size fits all. We're telling everybody that you're all anxious. It's all the same for you, right? That one anxiety disorder is the same for everybody, and everybody is going to feel the same way. But that's not true. And now people are just Googling things online and associating with like, oh, I have anxiety disorder. Oh, I have depression disorder. It's not true. This is something that is very, very important, that mental health issues are actually experiential. It's not theoretical. There's a big, big, big difference. It is not about the theory. Yes, these are signs and symptoms that, anxiety disorder will have these signs and symptoms. This is just to distinguish that this is an anxiety disorder. But it's much more than that. It's an innate behavioral pattern in you which is disordered according to you. So if I feel this is not normal behavior according to me, that can also be a disorder within me, right? Just because Google doesn't say it doesn't mean that it's not an issue for me, right? If I'm not feeling happy with whatever, for example, I had an exam and I'm not feeling happy about how I did, I'm not feeling happy about it. Not necessarily that Google will be able to explain this exact feeling, what I'm feeling, right? So what is happening with all this real culture and Googling is now generalization of everything, of your feeling is happening through these words. And we are missing what we're really feeling again. We're really not allowing ourselves to understand what I'm feeling. We're like, oh, Google will give me the answer. The Instagram Reels will give me the answer. These words, that is anxiety disorder, depression disorder, this will give me the answer. Now I put a label on this part of me, which is feeling this, and I sit with it. I'm not helping myself with it. Right? So the glorification has created this issue where most people have started just labeling themselves with it, that, oh, I have anxiety, which from a state of acceptance with helplessness, कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, that I have anxiety, that I have depression, but that's not true, right? There is help available. There are ways of dealing with it. There are ways of actually navigating yourself through it. And it's again coming back to the same point, it's again very experiential, which cannot be told on Reels, which cannot be told on Google, which cannot be understood through these Instagram therapy posts that are put out there. No. Talk to somebody who's actually going through a mental health issue, they'll tell you. It is not everything. There's much more to you, and you know more about you than this Instagram post, than the Google post, than the Reel, than anybody else, and then even a therapist as well. You know yourself more. Only you can allow yourself to know yourself more.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.